Hi, everybody. My name is Evan Rusackas. I work with a company called Preset, and I'm one of the contributors to Apache Superset. It's an open source business intelligence tool, and I'm here today to try to talk you into open source BI because it's enterprise ready, and you should try it instead of your proprietary dashboarding tools that you're using today. Superset offers a whole bunch of different visualization types, connects to just about anything, and offers advanced features that we won't go into today, like alerting and monitoring and Jinja templating and all sorts of customization options that we don't have time to cover. It's used by a lot of organizations and contributed to by many of these organizations as well. And like I said, it connects to everything. Maybe a slight exaggeration, it connects to anything that speaks SQL natively. But if something doesn't speak SQL, like perhaps a NoSQL database or some various APIs and S3 buckets or anything like that, there are other query engines that Superset does connect to that can act as an intermediary, like Presto and Trino and Drill and Shillelagh and stuff like that. Let's take it for a spin really quickly. I'll actually show you what I'm working on today. This is a Superset community dashboard that I'm working on. And so it shows our GitHub stars. We have lots of them. We're one of the biggest Apache Software Foundation projects, if not the biggest. And we have a lot of activity on the repo, as you can see here. But if I go to something like GitHub issues, I can look at all of this. And if I want to see how many issues are opening on various days, I can drill to detail. And I can get a list of the PR count and open issue count day by day. Or if I want to see who is opening the most issues, I can drill to detail and basically filter by a certain date and group by a certain operation. And then that'll show me who's actually opening those PRs on any given day, which is pretty neat. Now, looking at a fictitious dashboard that I made here with a bunch of different made-up marketing emails, I can show you how this is all kind of built. First, I can show you that there are some filtering things in the dashboard. Like, for example, if I want to see how this particular email works, I can simply apply filter here, and you see it there. Or if I want to clear that filter, it also emits cross filters from most charts in the dashboard, so I can click here and see how any of these top revenue-generating emails are doing. Now, if I go ahead and click and edit one of these charts, what I can show you is that they're powered by something called a dataset. If you edit the dataset, it's basically a query under the hood, and you can add things like ad hoc columns to kind of munge your data a little bit and make it all the shape you need for your visualization. And if I want to go and edit that dataset, I can do so in SQL Lab, which is a full-fledged SQL IDE tool that allows you to query pretty much any table or any catalog in any database type that you happen to have connected. So that's very much the short order. You kind of build a query, from that you build a data set, from that you build a chart, and from that chart you build a dashboard. And I'd really encourage you to give that a try with something you happen to use in your business. If you want to do so, you can go to the repo and just check it out here. Or you can try Preset, which is a managed hosted version of Apache Superset, and you can get a free package that works for 5 people forever. So that's just one instance of Superset instead of the professional packages that allow you to add multiple instances for, dev staging prod or various regions or various parts of your organization. But anyway, you can try it. You can kick the tires very quickly. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. Here's my contact info and how to find us on Slack and everything like that. All right. Thank you very much for joining me today. Take care.